What's going on, my YouTube family? The man, the myth, is the ex-predator coming at you with another video. This is going to serve as a channel update and a couple of explanations as to why my regular upload cadence has been out of sync. There were some real life situations that kind of took me out of the fight between work and recent passing of fellow writers, two to be specific, and a soldier. But I'll get into the explanation once the video gets started.
The revolution will be live.
Alright, folks, let's get this thing started. A lot's been going on behind the scenes. My brother in arms, Travis, aka the Moto Mac of YouTube. I want y'all to send him all the support and love that you can, because he lost his brother in arms and a good friend. I would dare say he was kind of like my Dermish, Golish. It was Moto Mac's right hand man, just like Omar was to me. And I have him in thought, I have him in prayer and everything. That was just a really tragic situation. I won't go into detail. You have to wait for Moto Max videos, out of respect for his circle. But I will say that all my interactions with Dermis, aka the Baba Yaga, was always pleasant, always humble. Even when he's beating me in races and he was on What You Riding, I want to make sure that folks celebrate a very down-to-earth, cool fella. I mean, even when I brought up the fact that he defeated me, he was just like, "Oh no, you're still working on it." Whatnot. He was so humble in victory, and didn't let me fall to shame and defeat. So much respect to you. My condolences to you, your family, those affected. We'll see you on the other side. Ride with my brother Omar in heaven, man. And segueing into Courtney. She was a friend of mine that I met her through a couple of our writing folks, and Courtney Lynn leaves behind some wonderful children. I pray that everything's gonna be all right. It's tough to talk about, but I know she was getting her bike worked on for the last few seasons, and whatever challenges or hurdles that she had to face, I was really looking forward to her finding her peace on two wheels. And unfortunately, that wasn't the case. I had to say goodbye to a lot of people. Also to my soldier, one of the soldiers that I served with when I was in Afghanistan, Sergeant Isaac Moretta. What a wonderful person, cool, calm, collective. My Dominican brother from the other side of the island, brother. It's just been a rough time with losing people, but my heart goes out to all. My condolences to everyone, and I'm gonna shift into channel updates in the second half of the video. I hate to open in such a manner, but we're gonna go into quick intermission, and words brought to you by Absolute Cycle. What up? We got my peeps here. These guys are really busy today. Yeah, everything is starting to kick off. right there. It's a nice day out. Yeah, Mike is getting his quick shifter adjusted, but all is looking good today, folks. So if you're in the Rahway, New Jersey area, Elizabeth Avenue, check out Absolute Cycles. We'll see y'all in a bit. All right, we back, folks. So, in more positive news, I'm looking at potentially retiring sooner than I thought. So things have come into place that it's going to be life changing. And once I do retire from military service, I'm going to take the channel to the next level. It's going to be some fun stuff. You know, I've been getting healthy and put on about 4 or 5 pounds of solid lean muscle. So yeah, like those of you who see me, you'll see I bulked up a bit, and you know, been in the gym, staying healthy. Ain't got half fun with these guys. Shout out to Vincent Price. Oh man, gotta love it, gotta love it. But yeah, I'm getting back to regular video upload cadences. I have a backlog of stuff, so I'm trying not to record anything new until I get the good stuff out. And lastly, if ever you see the ZX Predator running around New Jersey, and I got my camera on or whatnot, chances are you'll be featured. So I'm gonna start doing some QR codes so that you can scan on my bike or whatever. Start adding that into the video so I can get you guys to tag stuff. So rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.